Video number 2. Getting started with your Twitter marketing. Brands come to Twitter to be what people are talking about right now. Find out how to start with Twitter business and how you can leverage it for growth. Twitter. Twitter is a free online microblogging platform that enables you to post punchy updates and messages, tweets. Once limited to 140 characters, tweets can now contain 280 and can be read by anybody else on Twitter, even if they are directed at members of your network, your followers. The most successful Twitter users don't just broadcast a message. They engage with other Twitter users by asking and responding to questions, sharing interesting links, and monitoring what people say about them. Twitter is informal, so it can be a good way to add a personality to your business and show its human side. Why should your business use Twitter? Promote new products or exclusive offers, collect feedback from customers and prospects, answer questions about your products or services, pass on news about your sector, comment on general business issues, and let people know what is going on in your firm. Number 1. Establish your Twitter presence. Your profile shows the world who you are, and first impressions count. Each element should showcase your best content and accurately reflect your message. Here's an overview of the 5 different parts of a Twitter profile and some of the best practices to keep in mind if you plan to advertise on Twitter. Your Twitter @name. Your @name is your unique identifier on Twitter. It can contain up to 15 characters and should help people easily find your business. Your name, which you can change as you please, appears above your @name, which is permanent. Your profile photo. Choose a profile photo that visually represents your business or brand and fits well in a small space. This image isn't just on your profile page, it is the icon in every tweet you post. Your bio. You have 160 characters to let people know what makes your account special and why they should follow you. Include useful information such as what you tend to tweet about, your location or business hours, and a link to your website. Your header image. Consider this your billboard. You can use event photos, feature products, use a graphic with text, or highlight your work and team. Your pinned tweet. Keep an important tweet at the top of your timeline by pinning it there. Click on the More option on the tweet you want to pin and select Pin to your profile page. Use this feature to make sure visitors to your profile can't miss your biggest, latest news. How to set up your business on Twitter. Follow this step-by-step guide to get started. Here's a list of the first 10 things you should do to get started on Twitter. Number 1. Sign up to Twitter. Go to the Twitter website and enter your name, email address, password, and username. Your choice of username is key. Most businesses opt for a username that incorporates the company name. If you already have accounts on other social media networks, it's a good idea to use the same username for all of them. Number 2. Enter some extra information. You'll want to create a strong profile for your business on Twitter. The information you enter will help people decide whether or not to follow you. It's important to upload a profile picture. You should add a bio, add your main location, add the address of your company website. 3. Add a header image. Twitter allows you to add a header image. When people visit your profile page, this appears near the top. You can use it to reinforce your brand, showcase products, or show some other relevant visuals. The header image is prominent on your profile page, particularly when people visit using a desktop computer. Number 4. Start building a network. Twitter is all about the connections you can make, who you follow, and who's following you. Don't get fixated on the number of followers you have. It's more important to build a network of people and businesses who are relevant. Find specific people or businesses with the search function. You can also search for subjects to find people who tend to tweet about them. As you use Twitter, it will recommend people to follow based on what you tweet about and who you follow. Number 5. Start sending tweets. This is the most important step of the lot. As you send more tweets, your profile on Twitter increases and it becomes easier for other people to find you. A tweet is a message of up to 280 characters. You can say anything you like, but try to be interesting and relevant. You'll get ideas for tweets as you follow other people. How to use Twitter in your business. Once you've set up your account, try and sign into Twitter at least a couple of times a day, aiming to post some interesting tweets. Number 1. Understand the basics. The best way to determine where Twitter fits into your business is to start using it. There are a few basic things to keep in mind. When you sign into Twitter, you'll see a feed of tweets from people you follow. The most recent tweets come first. Everything you say is public, unless you use the direct message function to send someone a private message. You can include links, photos, and videos in your tweets, and these are not included in your 280-character limit. Use the @ symbol to mention someone in a tweet. Just type in @ followed by their username. When you do this, they'll see a notification that they've been mentioned. Keep in mind that messages sent this way are still public. You can also retweet messages. 2. Explore Twitter business tools. There are loads of Twitter apps and tools that can help you use this social network more effectively. Applications like TweetDeck, now owned by Twitter, and Hootsuite let you use Twitter without having to visit the Twitter website. They often include features to track your mentions, monitor keywords, and identify people you could follow. You can get apps for your smartphone or tablet too. To get started, you can try the official Twitter app. Some apps, like the popular Buffer, are designed to make it easy to schedule and track tweets. In fact, many of these, including Buffer, work with other social networks too. Services like Cred can give you an idea of your influence on Twitter. Take the findings with a large pinch of salt though. Twitter is about connecting with the right people, not just about connecting with lots of people. Do you need more than one Twitter account? Many firms opt for multiple Twitter accounts, and there are often very good reasons for this. You could consider having a corporate account to provide updates on your company as a whole, a customer service account to answer questions and respond to comments, a product-led account to provide specific product news and information, audience-led accounts focused on the needs of a target audience. For example, this could be location-specific if your business is international, or subject-specific. If you only do one thing on Twitter, make sure your profile is easy for users to search for and regularly updated. This will tell readers what you can offer them precisely and concisely. People are in a discovery mindset when they're on Twitter. Hence, your brand or business is likely to leave a lasting impression. Make the best use of its features to drive traffic, sales, and revenue. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson.